With the rise of plant-based diets, many are looking for ways to incorporate more whole plant-based foods into their meals. But where do you start? Sure, you can simply swap your meat for a plant-based protein, but where's the fun in that? We want to introduce you to a world of flavorful and delicious whole plant-based food recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you feeling energized. Are you tired of the same old salads and roasted vegetables? It's time to spice things up and get creative in the kitchen. Imagine starting your day with a warm and comforting bowl of oatmeal loaded with seasonal fruit and a drizzle of maple syrup. Or, biting into a juicy and flavorful veggie burger topped with all your favorite fixings. The options are endless, and we're here to show you just how easy and enjoyable incorporating whole plant-based foods into your diet can be. So, let's get started on this culinary journey and discover the endless possibilities of whole plant-based food recipes. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized and your mind blown. Whole plant-based foods might sound like a mouthful, but in essence, it's a way of eating that prioritizes the consumption of whole, unrefined foods that are derived from plants. This type of eating emphasizes a variety of nutrient-dense, plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, all of which provide a wealth of health benefits. These foods are often less processed, retaining their natural fibers, vitamins, and minerals, which are essential for good health. By focusing on whole plant-based foods, you can feel good about nourishing your body with the vital nutrients it needs, without sacrificing taste or satisfaction. The goal of whole plant-based eating is to create a diet that's both delicious and nourishing, leaving you feeling satisfied and energized. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just starting to explore this way of eating, understanding the benefits of whole plant-based foods is an important step towards making healthier food choices. When it comes to whole plant-based foods recipes, the options are truly endless. The beauty of plant-based eating is that you can create dishes using fresh, wholesome ingredients that are both delicious and nutritious. From breakfast to dinner, there's a wide range of recipes to choose from that cater to every taste preference and dietary need. A popular choice for breakfast is a smoothie bowl, which is made by blending together a variety of fresh fruits, greens, and other healthy ingredients. You can add in superfoods like chia seeds, almond milk, and nut butters to boost the nutritional value and make it a filling start to the day. Lunch options include salads loaded with veggies and topped with plant-based protein sources such as chickpeas, lentils, or tofu. Another option is a hearty vegetable stir-fry, made with your choice of veggies, sauces, and spices. For dinner, you can try making a comforting plant-based lasagna, a flavorful quinoa bowl, or a classic vegan burger patty. The possibilities are endless, and the great thing is that you can experiment and get creative with the ingredients you have on hand. So why not challenge yourself to try something new and whip up a delicious, whole plant-based meal today? Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. In conclusion, incorporating whole plant-based foods into your diet not only provides numerous health benefits, but it also opens up a world of culinary possibilities. The recipes we've shared are just a small taste of what you can create with these delicious, nutrient-rich ingredients. Whether you're looking to eat healthier, reduce your environmental impact, or simply try something new, a whole food, plant-based diet has something to offer for everyone. So, why not give it a try? Start experimenting with some of the recipes we've shared or get creative and come up with your own. The options are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. So, go ahead and treat yourself to a tasty and healthy meal, made from whole plant-based foods. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. In the conclusion, we have talked about how incorporating whole plant-based foods into your diet can have numerous benefits, both for your health and the environment. With the delicious recipes we have shared, you can now easily incorporate these foods into your meals and enjoy their amazing flavors. However, it's not just about the taste. It's about making a difference in your life and the world around you. That's why we are asking for your help to spread the word about the benefits of whole plant-based foods. If you have enjoyed this video and have found it informative and useful, then we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. This way, you will never miss a chance to learn about the latest and greatest in plant-based foods and how you can incorporate them into your diet. With your help, we can make a difference and inspire others to do the same. So, let's take action and make this world a better and healthier place.